This is a case I've been covering for almost a year now. The Michigan Hyperbaric Chamber Explosion Case, which ended the life of 5-year-old Thomas Cooper. The people charged are the CEO of the company and 3 employees. This is a hyperbaric chamber treatment center, and they claim to treat ADD, sleep apnea, and autism, all the letters they claim to treat with this hyperbaric chamber. A hyperbaric chamber is also more commonly seen in diver situations. For instance, if you are a diver and you ascend too fast, you have to go into one of these to be repressurized so your blood doesn't screw you up. Now, the hyperbaric chamber treatment is they pump it full of 100% oxygen, and then they pressurize it. And Thomas Cooper was there because severe ADD, sleep apnea, and this place claimed they could treat him. He had been there a few times before. This time was different. A spark ignited, and the chamber burst in flames. In a hyperbaric chamber with the pressure, all the oxygen is pressured into every pore of your body. So when that exploded, the entirety of little Thomas Cooper caught fire at once. His mother got severe burns on arms and chest when she tried to save her boy.